Hello, welcome to Stacey's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to make the most unbelievably gorgeous Valentine Cookie Pops filled with a chocolate surprise. Into the bowl of your stand mixer, put 175 grams of softened unsalted butter, followed by 220 grams of caster sugar. Now, we're going to mix it until light and fluffy, which will take around about a minute. Looking pretty nice. Just take down the mixture from the side of the bowl. And now into that, we're going to place around about a teaspoon of vanilla essence, 2 large eggs, 1, 2, oops. And now we're going to blend that together until it's really nice and smooth. That's perfect, that's really lovely, well blended and smooth. Now we're going to add all our dry ingredients, 350 grams of plain flour, pop that on top, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Also going to add a little pinch of salt, there you go. Now we're going to mix it again, slowly, until it's incorporated nicely. This is a very, very, very soft dough, absolutely gorgeous, but it does need to be refrigerated so that we can easily roll it out. I'm going to turn it out now onto a heavily floured board. I'm going to bring it all together nicely into a very, very soft dough. It's like a silky dough. Now, pop it into a bowl, cover it, and put it in the fridge for around 2 hours. It can absolutely be in the fridge overnight, don't worry, but this has to go in the fridge or you will not be able to roll it out. So in the fridge it goes for 2 hours or overnight, and I'll see you soon. Now the dough is nice and cold, it's perfect to roll out. You can work with half if you want, or a whole one, doesn't matter. Floured board. Keep moving the dough as you're rolling it because you don't want it to stick onto the board. And we're aiming for the dough to be quite thin, I'd say around the thickness of a one pound coin. And you can re-roll this dough and start again, so don't worry if it comes off the edge. I'm just trying to make it nice and easy to get as many hearts as possible in the first roll. We're using a nice big heart shape today, but obviously you can do it any shape you want. But as it's Valentine's, it's all about the hearts. So I'm going to cut them out, pop them on the tray one by one. There's a reason why I'm putting them on the tray like this, by the way, you'll see. Put your heart cutouts onto a shape like this, and then grab 1 candy floss stick and push it gently into the middle like so. Do the same with all 3 of them. Now on this tray, I'm going to use M&Ms, I think. My children absolutely love M&Ms. I'm going to just pop some M&Ms inside. When you bite into it, it's a colourful extravaganza. Don't overfill it, that's absolutely perfect. So put 1 heart on top of the other heart, and then you're going to gently push them together like so, just to seal. And you can reshape them if you need to as well. Push it all the way down. This cookie dough is lovely. It's kind of crunchy on the outside and soft on the inside, and it really don't take long at all to cook. These will take around about 11 minutes to cook. Now these are ready to go in the oven for around 11 minutes on 170 degrees fan or 190 degrees conventional heat. So let's go. And this lot, I'm going to put Cadbury's caramel in the corners, little caramel nibbles. Absolutely delicious. I feel a bit sorry for this person because they only get 2 things. Let me put 1 there too, shall I? Yeah, why not? Nice. It's important that you use wooden sticks because you don't want them melting. So whatever you do, don't use plastic ones that will melt in the oven. You can use candy floss sticks or even ice lolly sticks are perfect too. But I like the candy floss ones because they're nice and long and they make them seem a little bit special, the cookies. Last year, my boys gave these to their Valentines. Don't tell them I said that. So sweet. Right, now these ones are ready to go in the oven as well. Wait for the ones to come out and then these are going in. Right, these are ready now after 10 minutes. There's a slight golden edge around it, yet the cookies are still nice and soft to the touch. They're ready. We're going to decorate our cookie pops with a chocolate drizzle. Just take some milk chocolate or dark chocolate or white chocolate if you prefer and microwave it, stirring at 30-second intervals, and then add a tiny drop of vegetable oil. This makes it lovely and runny. And we're just going to drizzle it like this over the cookies, and then I'm going to add a little special pretty heart onto the top. Obviously you can use any sprinkle that you like. There's so many sprinkles at this time of year. Valentine-y sprinkles. I've put some kitchen roll underneath so to catch any drips so it doesn't go on the worktop. Oh, yummy, yummy. These do look pretty awesome. I love making these little royal icing hearts. All you have to do is, when you've made up your royal icing, which I can show you in another tutorial, you pipe the hearts out onto a little bit of parchment onto a baking tray and leave them for 24 hours to harden, and then you can just use them as you would any other kind of sprinkles. Now I'm going to put these in the fridge until the chocolate has set. And there we have it. Now you know how to make your Valentine Cookie Pops. Thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed learning how to make your Valentine Cookie Pops. And if you did, please click the subscribe button. Until next time, bye.